In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up and use mobile hotspot on Android, okay? A lot of you have been asking me this question, and I think this is the right time to post this video, okay? Let's get started. As usual in this channel, we don't waste time. Locate the settings button or icon, sorry, somewhere down here. Yes, this one, okay? Then, under settings, you will see hotspots and connection. In some phones, you will just have to swipe to locate this button for hotspot here, but the normal method is locating the settings button and clicking hotspot and connections. Then you will see personal hotspot. Just tap on it, then you will set it on. When you set this on, you have someone can be able to connect to your hotspot via Wi-Fi. Now let's see the settings. Now you can see I've set my hotspot name, then this is the hotspot password. Make sure that you set the password that you can easily remember, okay? Then click on the tick icon or button, okay? It's because I've not changed the password, so I cannot click on tick, but if I do it, it will be able to pick on that. So that is how you can set up your mobile hotspot on your Android phone. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thank you.